Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com, here with our kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Okay, so in the Fly Racing Helmet Garage, I not only have a kick-ass graphic, I got a little bit of a story for you. This is my Scorpion EXO-700 Scorpion Chameleon Green Helmet. You might notice this thing's kind of f***ed up. Well, in the spring of 2008, I'm just minding my own business, riding around Grattan Raceway, and next thing you know, boom, daddy's high-siding. Bike's laying on the ground. Bike is on fire. Ooh, little pain here. Go to the hospital, get this awesome thing put in there. Got to have it taken out 12 weeks later. That was a heartbreaker, but you know what? Don't worry about it, because I got a backup one that's in perfect shape. It was autographed by Matt Mladen. Yeah, there we go. There's another throwback. When he was sponsored by Scorpion and racing for Yosh on the Superbike. So there you have it. Broken collarbone, up helmet, autographed helmet. All these things are certified kick-ass.